Yeah, this is quite a lovely place you got here. Oh, hello there. Welcome to Nature with your host, Mr. Nature. I'm Mr. Nature. Right. Here we see a brutal scene filled with bodies on bodies. Haha, that was a reference. And as you can see here, they're dead. But nature is naturally cruel. I should know, because I'm Mr. Nature. I'm naturally cruel. Urgh. Over here, we have the wild jacuzzi. Good for jacuzziing in. You get your Jew and you get your koozie on, and you really swivel around in there. Swivel, swivel, swivel.
Swimming, swimming, swim away.
A wild, annoying brother. We don't like him. And down here, we have a majestic sight. The wild and very rare pinecone hibernation. Now, this is a very rare occurrence, like I've said before. It only happens once every 50 years. So we are blessed enough to see these wild pinecones in their natural sleeping habitat. What are you doing? Not trying not to disturb the wild pinecone's hibernation. Now, over here, we have trash. There's not much to say about this. It's just trash.
It's trash.
Now,
It's like normal cardboard. Crumble it down.
we can't go any further because we're not allowed to by the national park. But this natural farm. Oh. Well, I guess we're going this way. Over here, we have a natural formation made by nature. A wild pickleball court, as the locals call it. See, as the tree grows and then it dies, its roots naturally form a cement-like structure, forming the pickleball court. And eventually humans add on the knitting and play a game on it. I'm no good at it, but I think this guy is. He looks like he needs to fart. Oh, we have to be very careful in this next part. Over here is a wild black Honda. It is a very dangerous creature. It's very rare to see it in the wild. You're not supposed to feed. Ah! You're not supposed to feed these creatures, because if you feed them, they'll eat you, and they'll take your house mortgage and your kiddos. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! The horror! Ah, the horror!
No.
And 'tis the beauty of nature. Follow me. Over here, we have a couple of samples and specimens. I'll open this. And here, we have an anaconda. Put the snake down, chap. This here is a biter. It's a wild anaconda. But we keep him in a storage unit. Mostly because he's dead. That's disgusting. And we pick up the anaconda to make sure he doesn't blow away.
So dumb.
I believe I can fly.
Perfect. And that concludes our nature tour. Thank you for coming with me on my nature journey with me, Mr. Nature.